Having a dash cam in your car is a great safety measure, but getting to your recorded footage can be a hassle. Not everyone has a computer or even access to one. Even if you do, getting the memory card out of your dash cam is more effort than anyone needs. A wireless dash cam makes life so much easier. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can quickly and easily connect your phone to one of these dash cams. From there, you can access your video recordings, download them and share them. We've picked 5 of the best wireless dash cams that are well spec'd but still affordable. Introducing the ROVE R2 4K Pro, an advanced and feature-packed dashcam priced at around $130. Equipped with the powerful Novatech NT96670 processor and a Sony Starvis IMX335 image sensor, this camera delivers outstanding performance. Capture stunning footage with its industry-leading f1.5 aperture, 6-layer glass lens, and crisp 4K recording capabilities at 30 frames per second, 3840 by 2160 pixels, or 2K Ultra HD at 30 frames per second, 2560 by 1440 pixels. With super night vision technology and a built-in supercapacitor, the ROVE R2 4K Pro ensures longer product life and durability. Stay connected and manage your recordings effortlessly through the ROVE app using the dual-band 5G Wi-Fi feature, which offers download speeds of up to 8 megabits per second. Share your videos on social media platforms directly from the app. The built-in GPS records your driving routes, locations and speed stamps directly onto the video. Additionally, the dashcam supports up to 512 gigabytes of storage, providing ample space for your recordings. Enjoy the convenience of parking mode 24/7, time-lapse recording, a G sensor for automatic event detection, loop cycle recording, and emergency video lock. The ROVE R2 4K Pro comes with a 2.4-inch IPS screen for easy viewing. Experience the ultimate in dashcam technology with the ROVE R2 4K Pro and enhance your driving safety and peace of mind. Introducing the Z Edge R1 Wi-Fi dash cam, a dual-lens dash cam that combines affordability and functionality. Priced at approximately $100, this feature-packed device offers excellent value for money. The front camera boasts a high resolution of 2304 by 1396 pixels, ensuring crisp and detailed footage of the road ahead. The rear camera captures full HD 1080 pixel resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels, providing clear visuals of what's happening behind your vehicle. Equipped with super night vision technology, the Z Edge R1 delivers enhanced visibility even in low light conditions, ensuring you don't miss any crucial details during nighttime drives. Thanks to its Wi-Fi connection capability, you can easily control the dash cam using the Smart app. This convenient feature allows you to manage settings, view live footage, and access recorded videos directly from your smartphone. Experience the convenience and peace of mind that the Z Edge R1 Wi-Fi dash cam brings to your driving experience, all at an affordable price. Kenwood DRV-A601W 4K Ultra HD dash cam, the top of the range 4K model, with Wi-Fi to easily grab your footage, and it could release magnetic mount. It's ideal for plug and play. The polarizing filter reduces glare in all weather, come rain or shine, with a 130-degree viewing angle, large freehand screen, HDR, and GPS, giving you the right location, date, and time of any incident. When fitted with the optional hardware kit, stop-start technology, and intelligent parking mode are added, there's nothing much worse than returning from the shops to your, like that impeccably parked car, only to find someone's done a hit and run. And it records sound too. With Smart Parking Mode, if your vehicle has been hit, your dash cam will help you show who's responsible. You can also add a rear view camera, to give you complete peace of mind. The Kenwood DRV-A601W dash cam will never miss a thing. SC Smart Dash Cam Series from Cobra, with a price of $330. With advanced features like high-definition recording, enhanced night vision, and cloud video management that allows you to store, edit, and share footage from anywhere. SC dash cams are ideal for anyone with a desire to drive smarter and safer. They're always looking out for the driver on the road ahead, behind the vehicle, and even inside the cabin. Built-in G sensors protect footage automatically, before, during, and after emergencies to ease the process of insurance claims. And the Mayday notification lets you send an alert to an emergency contact in the event of an accident. The SC201 even offers an infrared LED interior camera for enhanced nighttime video. Plus, with the Drive Smarter app, drivers will have peace of mind with unprecedented control over their experience on and off the road. And connection to the Cobra community of drivers, gives you access to more than 100 million real-time alerts of red light cameras, speed traps, and more. With an SC dash cam from Cobra on your dash, your vehicle becomes smarter. You'll drive smarter, and it'll help keep you and your loved ones safer on the road. The Miofive 4K dash cam. Enjoy a human eye view driving camera experience in your car with 4K ultra high definition resolution with the new Miofive 4K dash cam. This 4K dash cam comes with a 2-inch IPS screen that has clarity the same as your iPhone Retina display. Unlike most dash cam displays that have regular LCD screens, this gives you a 160-degree wide viewing angle to assist your drive with a better view. This high-quality camera uses built-in GPS technology and AI algorithms and examines the driving environment through its digital signal processor to assist your drive by measuring speed and giving you a recorded trip memory report. The Miofive dash cam comes with 5G Wi-Fi that gives you super fast download speeds than regular dash cams that have only 2.4G Wi-Fi. No need to spend money on an extra SD card. The Miofive camera has built-in EMC storage and has a time-lapse G sensor that gives your car 24 hours of surveillance monitoring. You can say goodbye to your old regular dash cam, fit your new Miofive 4K camera in your car, and enjoy a whole new driving experience with cutting-edge camera technology.